Hello and welcome to the grand final of the BBL. Today we have the Horbart Hurricanes and the Melbourne Renegades in the grand final tonight. The rules are: it is a 3-over match with 2 wickets. We get one decision review, and yeah. So here we go. Good luck, mate.
Good luck, mate.
Heels are flats.
I'll go flats.
Heels.
What do you want?
I'm gonna have a bowl first.
Okay.
Good luck.
Yes. That was right 4.
Yeah.
You can appeal. You can go to the appeal if you want to. No, not out then.
But you can see all the shots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
No run. To win. Yep. You're gonna have to.
See if I can ask my mum to come with us.
It's gonna go 4. 3 to win. No. Come on!
What the?
Oh yeah! Come on! Yeah!